Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest updates on jailbreak tools and tweaks. Today, we have exciting news for all the jailbreak enthusiasts out there. A new update has just arrived for Jailbreak Dopamine, bringing it to version 1.1.1. Let's dive into the details of this update and see what it has to offer. One of the notable additions in this update is the inclusion of a crash reporter. Now, when activation fails during the jailbreaking process, users will receive a separate crash log along with the issue. This enhanced crash reporting feature provides users with more detailed information to help diagnose and troubleshoot any potential problems. Another significant improvement in this update is the fix for several erroneous offsets related to the trace hook. The trace hook is a crucial component used for tracing and manipulating processes. With these incorrect offsets now resolved, the trace hook functions as intended, ensuring accurate and reliable process tracing. The developers of Jailbreak Dopamine have also addressed a bug in the Machop trace parser. Previously, the parser encountered issues when parsing dependencies from certain libraries, leading to failures. However, this bug has been fixed in the latest update, resulting in a smoother parsing process and improved compatibility. In addition to bug fixes and new features, the update focuses on enhancing Wi-Fi re-enable reliability. This means that when users disable or experience connectivity issues with their Wi-Fi, the re-enabling process will be more reliable and consistent, ensuring a seamless user experience. Lastly, the update brings an update to version 1.0.6 of the tool called Inject. Inject is a powerful tool used for injecting code or modifying processes, and this update ensures it is up to date with the latest improvements, bug fixes, and potentially new features. That wraps up our coverage of the Dopamine Jailbreak Update, version 1.1.1. With the crash reporter, fixed offsets, bug fixes, enhanced Wi-Fi re-enable reliability, and the updated Inject tool, this update is definitely a significant one for all jailbreak enthusiasts. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest jailbreak news and updates. Until next time, happy jailbreaking, where we bring you the latest updates on jailbreak tools and tweaks.